Good morning, viewers, and it's been a long day apparently since I've uploaded a new vlog on my channel. I don't know what am I trying to do with it. Yet again, this is Saturday morning and I'm out on a run. I'm done with my jogging and I realized heading back home that I should probably start a vlog and film the whole day, as I have nowhere to go but I have so much to do. So I'm surely not going to be free, but yet I will make sure that I give some time to this vlog as well. Alright, so there you go, the beautiful morning view. I don't know whether you guys can capture the beautiful voice of these chirping birds, but I can, and this is the lovely part. This video may be a bit shakeful as I am walking, so but I really meant to make you hear the voice, but I don't think it would be being captured. Never mind. There you go. Let's go somewhere at a nice place and view that sunrise. That's what I live for. Right, so I have now, guys, brought you to a beautiful spot. This is the place from where I can view this beautiful sunrise, and in front of me lies the whole huge ground where you can play any sport you want. But in the morning, I think it is especially a scheduled time booked for these stray dogs in the center of the field, and there I often come and view the sunrise. It's lovely. It's really lovely. There you go. I'm finally home after an hour of jogging and talking with my friends. This is what my main door looks like, and this is what. So as you know, since I'm home today and I have so much of time in hand, so I thought, how about to give a kind of beautiful look to my room. I haven't really decorated my room as such. In the name of decoration, this is what I have made and done till now. As many times as I get some free time, I make use of my small creative mind and make something good out of not waste, but some art and craft stuffs. This is what my bed looks like. It is not very organized at the moment. As you can see, there is only this paper, this file, this what is it called? Catchy. No, scissors. All of these things that I found on my decks, I just picked it up and I've been thinking of what to make it out of this. Let's see what the result turns out. So there you go. Till now, this is the mess that I have created on my bed, and as you can see, these are the little creativity that I have produced till now. I'm pretty sure you can't tell what I'm going to make, but the result would definitely be awesome. Stay tuned till the end and wait for the end result to come. I'm damn sure that you will be surprised to see. By the way, look at this. Can anybody tell what it is? Even I can't name it, but I just have made it somehow. I had this thing kept in the cupboard. I thought, let's make use of it. I would also have to clear the entire mess, but first of all, let's reach the result first. So guys, Tantanan presenting you the creation of my day. This is what I did. It is a mehnat of 2 hours straight. Finally, after having done it, I pasted it on the wall. Not pasted exactly, there was this nail already present on the wall, so I somehow stuck it on it. Thankfully, it's looking good. Tell me in the comments if you guys are really watching it right now. How does that look? And on the other hand, there are other 2 of my creations which I specifically made on my holidays. Whenever I had a day free, I prefer doing such kind of art. It actually gives me such a boost of happiness, and in other words, I could say it keeps my creativity alive, and such kind of things are very good exercise for the mental health, isn't it? I don't know, I simply wanted to make a nameplate, so I had this theme in my mind that let's see what a brother's name comes out, and this is what it turned out to be. And I'm very inspired by these 3 words: live, love, and laugh. I think these are the 3 very main words, and LLL, which I live by. And beside this is the picture of none other than Khwaja Baba from Ajmer Sharif. When my mother went there, she bought these things. And there you go. This is the wall watch, and this is what what my room looks like as of now. This is what my bed looks like, which is quite messy, a crumbled blanket. There is my sleeping bag. This is where I actually sleep in. If I show you, there you go. I open it up and I get inside this every evening when I go to bed, and that's a mini, what do you call it? A mini study table. When I don't feel like getting up from my bed and reaching to that table, I simply take it and sit on the bed. By lying down, I study till as long as I can. And there you goes my brother. By the way, you guys tell me, how does his haircut look like? Today I gave him a haircut. Shwena Idrana? Look at this, look at this. So right now I'm in the kitchen and preparing tea for an auntie who's supposed to be my mother's friend. She is no one to me, just as an auntie. I'm having to prepare the tea in this little darkness. Even the light is also gone. All I have is the sun ray that's coming from the terrace. Well. Although there is only one guest who has come, but I have 4 cups of tea over here. One is for me, one is for my elder brother, this one is for my mother, and this for, of course, for the lady who has come. Good evening, guys. I'm finally out of my house. The last time when I was out was in the morning, and this is evening. I'm on a bicycle right now and I'm heading to the field, the very same field which I showed you in the morning. Goodness, look at those stray dogs. They kind of like scared the hell out of me. Anyway, my younger brother is already in the field waiting for me. He didn't even wait at home so that I could get ready. He told me that come and follow me. I am going. There you go, guys. This is the field and this is the slope. Although the main door is from that way, but I wanted to enjoy this slide. Look at this slope. I don't have to paddle from here, and this takes me with a very nice pace. Ouch! How good. Amazing. I'm damn sure the video is fucked up right now. Totally shakeful. Okay, now let me park it. There goes my Lamborghini. I think it needs some wash and all. Yet it helps a lot to cover long distances. And there goes my brother, my younger one, the younger champ. I don't know if I could properly display him in this video because the camera quality doesn't favor me in the evening. लग गई. ओह, आराम से. So I'm almost on the verge of ending this video. I really try my level best to give my best to this video, and I think this video could have been a lot better, but parallelly, if I could manage to upload a video and also make use of my time to the best, I'm pretty happy with that as well. My total focus is never at all just to make this video. I have a couple of other stuffs, and especially the studies to do. So I will leave you all with this beautiful thought that don't compromise with your studies at any cost. Do not do it. If anything is there which is being more prior, which is coming and having more importance than your studies, then you have to question, is it worthwhile? And if your answer is yes, then don't be ashamed of giving and paying more attention to that. Telegram, Facebook, all of these social platforms, even WhatsApp, YouTube, comes secondary to me. My education is my primary purpose and my primary ambition. So of course, have a great night tonight, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much if you guys made it till the end of the video.